Terasi is widely used in sambal because of its tangy and umami flavor. Today, our reporter meet a well-known chef who will mix this paste into a dish that is not so Indonesian, pasta and sambal terasi.
Okay, right now I'm with Chef Lucky, the most renowned, the one from Masterchef. Well, it's been
like 9 years ago.
9 years ago.
Yeah.
Okay, but the legend is still on, and we're about to cook something that is authentic, maybe.
Not authentic. It's a fusion food.
It is a fusion.
It's a fusion food.
Okay.
So, firstly, I want to ask you, what do you like to eat, basically?
I do love to have a sambal in every occasion.
Okay, so it's
Yeah.
like a normal in Indonesia. Everyone love to eat sambal.
Sambal, it is.
They like to eat sambal, basically. Now, I wanna cook for you. It's a fusion food. This is a sambal terasi, so it's a shrimp paste sambal. It's made from sambal terasi. Jadi it's made from chili, and then we have garlic, we have onion, lime leaf as well. Yeah, but then if you are lazy and you don't like to cook, you want quick, right? You want to have a quick dish, basically, yeah, in 5 minutes. Then that means you can have it from a package like this.
A bottled sambal.
A bottled sambal.
Sambal terasi.
A bottled sambal terasi is like this. You can smell it. Yeah, it's a bit difficult. Yeah.
Alright.
So you can still smell the terasi, right? Yeah.
What kind of food that can we have from this sambal?
But now I'm gonna introduce you to a new dish that's using pasta. So it's a pasta dish with a sambal terasi sauce. Yeah, it's a shrimp paste sauce basically. Yeah. Okay, now I need to cut the pepperoni.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Next one is onion. Now we cut on the gas.
Alright.
Okay.
So the stove
done.
is on now.
The stove is
And
on.
The first step is
I'm gonna put butter.
Alright. So we'll melt the butter first.
Yeah, we'll melt the butter first. Because we have butter and we have olive oil. So
Alright.
we have two of them. Because it's the taste, the one that's...
Oh, okay. The authentic taste that we want to have from the olive oil, is it?
Yeah, from the
Okay.
olive oil.
So we can only use butter
You cannot only use butter.
or vegetable oil?
Yes, vegetable oil, you can use that as well. But the taste will be a little bit different. Yeah.
Okay.
After that, we fry this. We fry the onions. Okay.
The next step?
Then after that, the next step, we have a flour. Okay.
Okay.
Mix it. Mix it well.
So this is one of the secret recipe that the step is put the flour here.
Yeah. It's just to thicken up the sauce.
Okay.
Yeah.
Put the
Slice
pepperoni inside.
Okay. After that, I'm gonna put the chili.
Oh, okay. Put the chili first.
Yeah, put the chili first so you can smell them. You can smell the shrimp paste.
Okay. So this one is a bottled
A bottled shrimp paste.
bottled sambal terasi.
Yeah.
How if the fresh one? How if
The fresh one, it should be alright. And if you are cooking for children, basically, do not use the chili. Just use the shrimp paste.
Okay.
After that, we put milk. Then you can see will be orange. Okay.
Wow, look at the texture. It's mixing between sambal terasi and the milk.
After this, I have some cooked pasta.
All right.
So the pasta, the one that we have earlier, we have some cooked pasta. Just put it in, mix it in.
So this is a carbonara style.
Carbonara style, Alfredo style,
Oh,
basically.
Alfredo.
Alfredo is the one with cream.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay. After this, don't forget we need some salt because the sambal, the package sambal terasi normally comes out as sweet. So we have to put more salt in the dish.
Okay.
For the greens, because we have to have some greens, right?
Yeah, I love green. Wow, it smells
Nice, right?
Well, I can smell the difference between the original Alfredo and this one.
And this one, okay.
Yes.
And because of the shrimp paste, the one that you smell is the shrimp
Yes.
paste actually. Okay, we have a little bit of pepper.
Oh, that's the black pepper.
Yeah, black cracked pepper. Okay, then it's done.
That quick?
That quick. It's a quick dish, right? You want a quick,
Yeah.
easy dish. This is the quick, easy dish.
Okay.
Basically. So it's like this.
Unless we
Just
want to grind the new sambal, the fresh
The
sambal.
fresh sambal, if you want to
Okay.
grind them, you grind them first. Then after that, you cook them. Then you put them in the dish.
Wow.
See, you don't need any cheese or anything. This is just the way it is.
Okay.
This is the pasta with shrimp paste sauce.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. You can try it now.
Alright. I'll take some bite to know what it tastes. Okay, it should be nice. So this is it, the pasta with chili paste,
With shrimp paste
shrimp
chili
paste
sauce.
chili sauce
Yeah.
from Chef Lucky. Let's have to
Okay.
try. Well, it's a mixture
good?
of, yes, it is good. And it's a mixture of spicy
Uh-huh.
and creamy from the milk.
Yeah.
This is beyond word. I'm totally speechless. Well, this is my first time to have this kind of pasta with this flavor.
Okay.
So I think this one is very Asian fusion.
Yep.
I think most of Asian taste bud that will accept this such recipe. So this is a terasi or shrimp paste.
Yes.
So what is the shrimp paste actually?
Shrimp paste is actually made from shrimp. That is air dried or sun dried. After that they pound it together. After that they ferment it, and then they cut it into shrimp paste.
So terasi is the proof that how rich is Indonesian cuisines. Gani Setiawan, Chef Lucky, for See Today.